Day 2. Sleepover! Sleepover!
Sorry, ma!
Day 2. Good morning.
Bakit ng lightning?
Ayo.
Hi, ma'am. Content creator po ako, ma'am.
Yes po.
Ano pong feeling na bilang CCA student na vacant nyo po is nakarating po kayo dito?
Masaya po.
Sino po yung prof nyo, ma'am?
Po?
Alam po ba ni Ma'am Barba na nandito po kayo?
Actually, siya yung nagaya sa akin dito.
Wala ka. Bad influence tayo.
Yes. Mamaya din uwi kami kasi may pasok yun.
Ilang inch po yung kaya nyo, ma'am? Hello po, ma'am.
Hello po.
Pa-outfit check po ako, ma'am. Magkano po yung damit nyo, ma'am? Yung top nyo po, ma'am, saan nyo po nabili?
Sa H&M.
Oh. Yung legs po, ma'am, saan po naka-order ka?
Tara na.
Hello po, ma'am.
Uy, tsaka kulang tayo.
Kaya kulang tayo, te.
Gawin tayo mo ulit po ito. Wait.
Hi, ma'am.
I don't want.
Anong feeling?
No.
Sorry.
Nandiyan yung iPad mo?
Hello. Hello, SK. Anong nababalita sa barangay nyo na ginastos mo dito yung pondo nyo?
Benotok. Tara na, mga pasyon.
Hello po. Hello po.
Ulit siya.
Hello po. Ay, ma'am, lumalabas po sila.
Hindi ko nakita mo. Ay, wala. Ba't wala? Ang tagal naman.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. Lots of tequila with some salt and lime. Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Wanna say that you're looking real nice. We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you get. You're just so stunning.
And a very energetic.
I've been feeling nothing lately when I'm without you. I know that something special made me think about you.
But actually, they found all the high-tech products. They need high quality of
Hindi na naman natin na-picture.
Ano? Sige, picture ano ba? Picture dyan.
Sige dyan, or drop mo na.
Pwede ka sa likod ka na lang.
Life insurance. May ano pa oh, fish. Ayun. Ay,
Okay, Facebook.
like, yes, together. Picture. Picture pang Instagram.
Hi guys. Hi guys, I welcome you.
Founder and president.
Hello.
Guys, the presidents, yeah. So, my dear Miss Philippines and Mr. Philippines,
This one. This one.
this is a formal one. Okay, so in the screens we can see all of the different departments that are available in the school. Activity center. Since the screen right now is mentioning the College of Tourism, if you can see on the little mannequin, or not mannequin, the diorama, What's colored green is our department. Oh, it's me! Walk around, you can see all of the certificates or awards that the school has gained, pictures of the events that the school has done, and also the certain artifacts that the school has. Like kind of like a history museum. So you are all Chinese students?
Wala, the snacks. Kaya mo na yan, te. Nakita mo na sa personal yan. Ten. Ay, dalagang Pilipina eh. Tulak eh. Nalagay kita sa video yung kalandian mo.
Gitna.
Akong gitna, te.
Dito, para malapit.
Alright. Remember the cameras here?
Wala.
Naduling bata ko dun.
37 more.
37.
Okay, stop na natin.
Oh, you already take a picture, right? Oh, yeah, you can follow me. Now we're looking for the picture.
Tayo hindi na nag-develop. What? English? Very hot? Doesn't mean building. Kasi pag nalilinis ka, papalit ka tama gabi. Ah, swimming pool.
Yeah, it's a fourth floor. So when you swimming, you will see a lot of
Can we swim now?
Escape
gagawa mahulog na naman.
Kasi yung ano?
Ay, Tay.
Ay, may matigas pa.
Guys, para to sa mga
Ah, dalawa. Babe.
Ay,
Babe.
picture mo din.
May ano.
Oh, I didn't notice.
Ano ko? Ano na saan? Sinabi ko kay Pai. Diba? Ay, yung mga baby yung mga Pai. Chopstick ba eh. Mag-chopstick
Ate, hindi na ako mag-chopsticks din.
Bilhin ko ka lang for the food. Hindi. Sarap ng itlog. Ganito ba ito? Tama ba ito?
Marunong ko rin yun lang. Mas piling ka ito.
Sure, mag-chopstick na lang ako.
Masarap ng kanin.
Lemon naman yung ulam din.
We'll give it a try.
Ay, namaya. Gusto ko na tubig.
Ayoko yung...
Nilatang ka.
Let's try the egg.
Okay.
Ay, Te. Kaya pala pag nasi talaga yun. Pag chopstick tayo pang kaya.
I don't.
Apat.
Sarap yung itlog.
May meat.
Gusto itong nag-iisang pitan.
Kulay. Ito, natin mo. Eh, ba't puro ano sa'yo? Ako na lang. Ba't sila may ano, may chicken?
Sarap na ba?
Bebe, dito sila mang-barba.
Ah.
Ang kukuha na rin may palo. Walang meat. Talagang tinakda sa akin. Oh, ito chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets.
Ate, may nuggets.
Asa pala chicken?
Kalati siya ng chicken star. No, tingnan ko. Promise, no joke. Chicken star ka.
Bread. Chicken.
Chicken star.
Ano to? Ang laki naman.
Para kunwari yung mga estudyante.
Thank you.
It's better than No, but I cannot see your face inside. Ah, okay.
Ganda niya, Te.
Oo, babe. Sabi mo lang. Oo. May nagkaan sa'yo.
Backstab ka.
Naalala ko sa bayan na lang. Gano'n kami. Hindi na judge tayo. Gutom na gutom ba kayo?
doesn't matter.
$200 pag ganyan maliit. Oh.
39 lang dito.
Oo nga no. Multi-series masarap po. 39 lang daw oh.
Mali ko yung speaker lang na 40.
Ay hindi, doblein mo yung 39. Magkano yung wala naman yung ano. Wala din. Wait lang. Hindi.
I know that something special made me think about you, about you.
Ito para tayo dapat nag-transition.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give. You're just so stunning.
So beautiful.
He's 30 years old.
I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you, you.
Inside or exteriors, okay. Sorry.
founded in 1990. And I just know your university also founded in Year of Horse, 2012. So it's the same horse, but we are older and you are younger. But we can run together, run to the future, more smart future. Today we have the closing ceremony here in AI Center to make sure everyone after today's visiting will smarter and smart. And I hope you also enjoy the cultural tourism, our internship hotel. We have travel agents, and actually we also have internship restaurant in basement. And how about the lunch? Do you like lunch? Yes. The chef also studied Philippine gourmet, so he will be very happy to hear that you enjoy it. Yeah. So once again, thank you for coming and welcome again. And also, I want to thank you, Dr. Rita and our program students. Students, where are you? And
中华的学生，请你站起来好吗？来确认一下。
We have the team so to welcome you to come again. Thank you. Okay, now I invite Steve Namor also to give us some remarks. Your department is tourism management. This is leading this is done by entrepreneurs under the scene. Thank you.
So this is my third year, but also last year in Zhonghua University, because our fourth year we need to go to Sunderland. It's a city right next to Newcastle. It's also in UK, and we need to finish our degree over there.
For the last year, we double degrees. So one degree from Zhonghua and another degree is from the UK. So they finish two departments get double degrees.
Say sana all.
Sana all.
Sana all. Say sana all.
Scholarship. Yes, that is reason why. Yes, and if you guys Filipino want to go to Zhonghua University for study for master program, and you guys will also have to get IELTS qualification, TOEIC qualification, or Taiwan TOEFL qualification, and you can also get that sponsored by Zhonghua University. Yes.
If you pass those tests, you can have a scholarship for your continuing program for master's program.
Yes.
Here in Zhonghua, see? So
You also can learn your Chinese here.
Yes.
You also offer the Chinese class here. Right.
it's for the
The free tuition fee, okay, for 2 years. Yeah.
Praise this our team. So 10 minutes, we arrive.
going down, down, down.
Unailong. Natin pa?
Kuya, 20 oh. Talaga palang 20 rin.
谢谢。以上呢就是我们花了10年
Wala kayong
练
takas.
习特技所带来的成。
Hi guys! Sleepover! Sleepover lang sa Taiwan saglit. Finding 7-Eleven. Nasaan na? Wala na ba? Tara na! Ang oras na. Let's go. Ay, si Hil! Tsaka si Ano si Palo. Wait lang. Get back. Anong titimid? Hindi na ako
Isa ko daw.
ulit. Alas sasalin danom. Atin danom kiyang hotel.
Sorry, ma. Ay, sali ng poke. Ay, mamam pa ng poke.
Hindi, namuha niyo ko pala ito ng tayo.
Ay, di ba sinali ng poke?
As a vegetarian, dakal na din makanini yung pinansin. O nyening... Ay? Hindi ako yung ting dyan?
Yung ano, salad dun.
Ay, salad dun. Ay, gawin si Gas.
Oh, ano bibili?
Ha? Ano ba yun?
May bigyan tayo ng... Sabi mo muna sa dalawa. Hindi mo ba?
Wala bang ala?
Ay, may dipunta mo na. Lasaway na pala naman.
Traditionally, it's stop rainy because if it's rainy, it's no good for human being.
Yung hindi ko matotong ano.
Sino yan?
Justin.
Pinidyohan ko pa.
Apong bar.
Yung balibago kasi.
Yung balibago kaya yung walking street.
Wow, parang hotel.
Edit nyo na ako muna. Mag-back-room ko.
Ano?
Okay na.
Ito po kasi nung makaigulo ako eh. Dito ako.
Walang siya kayo, ikaw yun.
Nanggawan? Nanggawan?
Ba't walang ano masyadong ilaw? Mag-flash na kayo. Uy, buksan niyo lahat ng flash nyo.
Kumain tayo, te?
Minus. Ba't wala kayo masyadong ilaw?
Buksan niyo yung flash nyo.
Oo, wala yung chinelas ko. Lightning.
Lightning.
Lightning. Nag-strike. For the strike. For the transitioning.
Rar. Parang yan yung tapoy, oh. Chocolate rin? Okay na yun.
Lalarin eh.
Game na, game na!
Okay. O, madilim mo.
Ay, di masala yamin eh.
Uy, game na. Game pa?
Ay, ito din.
Ihina ako.
Game na. Uy, isto naman yung kay dadalag. Tuloy tayo ng game bus bukas. Batang ka tayo ng
Hindi likod nyo kaya, hindi kita na.
Ay, sige, sino ka ka?
O, yun na tayo magpaayo kami na lang.
dilim.
Ay, sino ka ka?
Flash nyo nga. Buksan mo yung flash mo, lagay mo doon no.
Ay, hindi naman, naka-iPhone.
Ako lang to. Lago ng jowa ko.
Oh, laki na ambag.
Lapit mo naman dito. Dito. Dito.
Ayun, tingin mo ba gising pa sila mape?
Uy, nandiyan na
Ay, laki ng ambag talaga.
Hindi, kailangan madami.
Parang may.
Yung harap.
Oh, hindi ka flash.
Kasi tayo.
Kasi kamay na lang.
Wait, pwede na lang. Ay, hindi pala pwede. Pwede ba yan?
Ang dilim.
Ayaw mo.
Ay, pwede na yan.
Wala ko, be.
Hindi, patay na lang ganun, no?
Sige,
Ah, sige. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, go!
ano ba?
Balambul.
Be, bulbul tao na tapos.
Guys, teka lang.
Maranda pang. Dito na lang ako, te.
Ayun naman yun.
Ah, ganun na lang. Oh, ganun. Kanya na bata.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yan na yun.
Oh, isa pa.
Lawag yung camera.
Okay, isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go.
Uy,
Ay, sabi.
Isa pa.
Ayaw ka card.
1,
2,
2,
3.
Ay!
3, 2, 1,
Ah, sige. 3, 2, 1,
Ay, nako.
May eh.